Now the Oracle Touch is set up. We recommend that you select the Touch Guide, and the machine will guide you step by step to make your first coffee. Alternatively, select the tick icon to go to the drinks menu, or at any time, you can select the home icon to go straight to the drinks menu. From the drinks menu, swipe and select your preferred drink. The only thing you can't adjust on the screen is your grind size, which can be adjusted using the dial on the side of the machine. We recommend you start with a grind size of 20 to begin with, and slowly increase or decrease as you get more familiar with your machine. Decreasing your grind size will mean you get a finer grind, and therefore a slower extraction, while increasing your grind size will give you a coarser grind, which will speed up your extraction. For more information on grind sizes, see our complete extraction guide.